I've been using the Royal Mint Gold investment for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. The Royal Mint provides various gold investment options, including physical bullion coins and bars, as well as digital products like DigiGold, which allows you to invest in fractional gold held securely in their vaults. One of the standout features is the accessibility for new investors. You can start with modest amounts, and their user-friendly platform simplifies the purchasing process. Additionally, all gold bullion coins produced by the Royal Mint are exempt from capital gains tax in the UK, potentially offering tax advantages. However, it's important to note that investments in bullion products are not regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, and the value of your investment can fluctuate. Moreover, past performance is not indicative of future results. In terms of customer feedback, the Royal Mint has received independent reviews through FIFO, providing insights into user experiences. Overall, the Royal Mint offers a reputable and accessible avenue for gold investment, appealing to both novice and seasoned investors. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.